This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Kathy Sherman. Nicely updated townhome near the convenience of the West Gate area. Updates completed in the past few months: kitchen counter, backsplash, sink, faucets, shiplap ceiling, popcorn ceilings have all been removed, new interior paint throughout, new LED lighting throughout, master walk-in shower, vanity and sink, master closet organizer and more. Master bedroom suite on main level, 2 bedrooms, full bath plus finished bonus room in lower level. New roof in 2021. Agents please see remarks. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathy Sherman at 501-922-8277.